Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Prakite kirmānāni gunai karmāni sarvasa ahankar vimurātma kattaham iti mannate. To the devotees, Krishna takes charge himself. And to the ordinary living entities, the charge is taken by Maya. Maya is also Krishna's agent. Just like good citizens, they are taken care of by the government, direct. And the criminals, they are taken care of by the government through the prison department, through the criminal department. They are also taken care of. In the prison house, the government takes care that the prisoners not in uncomfortable, they give sufficient food, if that disease, they give hospital treatment, every care is there, but under punishment. Similarly, we in this material world, there is care, certainly, but in a punishment way. If you do this, then slap. If you do this, then kick. If you do this, then this way. This is called threefold misery. But under the spell of Maya, we are thinking that this kicking of Maya, this slapping of Maya, this splashing of Maya is very nice. This is called Maya. And as soon as you get into Krishna consciousness, then Krishna takes care of you. Ahankang sarvapapi bhamokrishyami mahasuchi. Krishna, as soon as you surrender, Krishna's immediately word is, I take care of you. I save from you from all sinful reactions. There are heaps of sinful reaction in our life. But so many life after life in this material world. And as soon as you surrender to Krishna, immediately Krishna takes care of you and He manages how to adjust all these sinful reactions. Ahankang sarvapāpi mahasucha. Krishna says, don't hesitate. If you think that, oh, I have committed so many sinful activities, how Krishna will save me? No, Krishna is all powerful. He can save you. Your business is to surrender unto Him and without any reservation, dedicate your life for His service, and thus you become saved. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,